This is how you make chapters in YouTube videos so that you can click different parts of the YouTube video. You go to your video description and you start out by typing 00:00, and then you say intro or whatever else that you want. And then the next bit you have to say 0, whatever the start of the first chapter is. Say it's 3 minutes in, 00, first part. And you basically do this, and this is the timestamp where you want the start of the chapters to start, and then this is the start of the next chapter, and then you do the start of the next chapter, just like that. And as you can see, I already made these for this video. This is what it looks like at the end. You basically want timestamps of the start of each part with the description you want to show up as the chapter heading. And then when you press save, it will update and you'll see it happen in the video. It happens automatically. It's as easy as that. Hope that was helpful.